Hey guys, a very good morning and Merry Christmas to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. India's central bank raises concerns about stablecoins' effects on the Indian rupee. Dogecoin Foundation works with Ethereum co founder on Doge staking. WeChain develops a government traceability platform with China. With around 500% rise as of December 23, 2021, SwapX tops their list of meme coins. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, over the last month, there has been a lot of speculation in India about intentions to prohibit private cryptocurrencies. The country's central bank has continued its war against the digital asset business despite the fact that legislative debate on the planned cryptocurrency bill has apparently been placed on pause. Let's have a look at the current situation. The Reserve Bank of India recently expressed new worries about the cryptocurrency market. This time, the suspicion is directed towards stablecoins. According to local media sources, the central bank believes that stablecoins tied to the US dollar or other foreign national currencies might weaken the Indian rupee. These concerns, according to reports, have been raised to the government in a number of meetings. The use of stablecoins by corporations or dealers in the near future is the RBI's key worry, even for domestic transactions where the rupee would normally be utilized. Furthermore, the RBI has warned that greater use and acceptance of stablecoins in the country might jeopardize the central bank's capacity to oversee currency swings and volatility. The RBI's worries about exchanges offering high interest rates on stablecoin deposits were also highlighted in the local media. They were as high as 10% to 12%, which is higher than fixed deposit rates, attracting investors even more. Surprisingly, the Indian government is debating with stakeholders whether cryptocurrencies should be outlawed or regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Many people believe that digital assets pose a systematic risk to the country's economy. Furthermore, the RBI has been a vocal opponent of Bitcoin for years, even attempting to outright prohibit it at one point in 2018. Instead, the central bank is promoting the notion of an Indian CBDC, which is seen as a viable alternative to the risks associated with private cryptocurrencies. The bank also recently submitted a proposal to the government to broaden the definition of banknote to include the CBDC. It is worth mentioning that the CBDC is now being developed in India. So moving forward with our next segment for today morning, the new Doge POS version promises to reward anybody for their contribution to the network's operation. Yesterday also we had a word about it. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked this time. In conjunction with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, the Dogecoin Foundation, a non-profit organization behind the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin, is developing a staking mechanism. The Dogecoin Foundation revealed its Dogecoin Trail Map on Thursday, which is a dog walk that the foundation is devoted to exploring and feels will contribute to Dogecoin's prosperity. The Dogecoin Foundation is working with Buterin on a uniquely Doge proposal for a community staking version of Proof of Stake as part of the Trail Map. The Dogecoin Foundation stated that such a version would allow all Dogecoin users to stake their Doge and get more tokens for supporting the network. The proof of stake version will allow everyone, not just the big players, to participate in a way that rewards them for their contribution to running the network and at the same time gives back the whole community through charitable causes. So moving ahead with our next coverage, WeChain is working on a platform for government traceability. The Digital Agriculture Rural Development Plan, which would incorporate blockchain technology, was launched by the Ministry of Agriculture. So let's find out what exactly happened. The Ministry of Agriculture under the Central Chinese government announced the Digital Agriculture Rural Development Plan in January 2020. It declared unequivocally that blockchain technology should be accepted and utilized to suit the agriculture sector's development needs. The government reinforced the mandate in 2021 with the 14th five-year plan, which emphasized the importance of rural development and modernization while resolving regional imbalances. The Inner Mongolian government announced a province policy in 2016 that marked the beginning of attempts to build an interoperable traceability system. The Bureau of Market Supervision and the Bureau of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry will begin bidding, design, and development in late 2020. WeChain was chosen to create integrate the government's traceability platform in early 2021. Rice, millet, sunflower, cattle, and lamb from Onggood banner were authorized as geographically landmarked items in early 2021. As a result, WeChain's blockchain solution will be used regularly in these items. In addition, the Bureau of Market Supervision and the Bureau of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry will also use the traceability platform to encourage excellent local businesses, develop rural brands, and demonstrate the region's product quality. So far, 12 businesses have been successfully connected to the agricultural traceability platform, making them their initial set of users. On December 4th, there will be an offline event to promote the platform and encourage firms and areas to participate and establish their own. The platform was designed to be simple to join and manage, with clearly labeled catalogs and instructions to help rural enterprises overcome considerable challenges. In addition, WeChain's Toolchain TM enables widespread adoption of blockchain, a technology that is associated with high complexity even in rural areas. The end user's detailed landing page provides an overview of company profiles, product data, and the manufacturing process, quality test reports, ingredient traceability, and the item's on-chain TX ID. So wrapping up with our final segment, so top meme coin for today is Mario Floki. Well, wait, isn't that a combined name? Oh no, don't spoil my beloved game. Anyways, let's not forget the topic and have a look at some stats. With a 24-hour trading volume of $11,080,966 USD, the current Mario Floki price is $0.000002 USD. Our MR Floki to USD price is updated according to 6 a.m. IST. In the previous 24 hours, Mario Floki was increased by 249.42%. With a live market cap of not available, the current coin market cap ranking is 3226. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1000 trillion MR Floki coins. And let's see what their website has to say. The one and only multifunctional token based on the legendary Mario plus Floki. Go on a P2A journey of saving Mushroom Floki Kingdom while earning automatically passive BUSD income every hour and donating to charities. Play as different characters in the form of own limited NFTs from our very own marketplace, earn to win giveaways, priced contests, and many more. Let's have a go. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.